Hello guys, welcome to NN Bright channel. Today I want to share how easy to cook spicy tempeh with simple seasoning. Before we start, I will tell you about tempeh. Tempeh, rooted in Indonesian culture, tempeh is a traditional food made from soybeans. The beans are fermented and compressed into dense, chewy cakes with a meaty-like texture. Where tofu is creamy and smooth, tempeh is filled with chunks of whole beans, softened through the fermentation process. It has texture and a dense mouthfeel that contrasts from tofu. Cut tempeh according to your taste. Heat 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then add the tempeh which has been cut into pieces. Fry over medium heat. Fry until golden brown. Then remove and don't need to change the oil. Put the shallots, garlic, onions, saute until brown, then add the chilies. If you like chilies, this can be skipped. Tempeh nutrition benefits. Looking for a low-fat, high-protein food? Like all vegan protein, tempeh may be a good choice. A 3-ounce serving contains 15 grams of protein and just 9 grams of carbs. Credit its compacted nature for its high protein content. Tempeh's 15 grams per 3-ounce serving compared to tofu's 6. It's rich in iron, about 12% of the RDI, as well as calcium. The high calcium levels make tempeh an excellent food for supporting bone health, reducing bone loss, and improving bone density. It's a real powerhouse when it comes to manganese, boasting 54% of the RDI. It's about 18% of riboflavin and magnesium, a good source of phosphorus, and niacin. In other words, tempeh is healthy. Soy products, particularly the isoflavones, have also been linked to heart health. Regular consumption of soy-based foods like tempeh has been linked to decreased LDL bad cholesterol levels as well as decreased triglycerides, markers for heart disease. Regularly consuming soy has also been linked to decreased risks of certain types of cancer. Soy may help the body attack and rid itself of dangerous free radicals linked to certain types of cancer. Where to find tempeh? Peruse your local supermarket or health food store and you're likely to see long, slender packages of tempeh alongside tofu. It's easy to miss, but it's usually there. Trader Joe's sells a private label version of it, too. You may also find it in Asian food markets as it's a staple in Indonesian cuisine. How to use tempeh. Tempeh can be eaten straight out of the package or steamed. But it's also great sautéed until lightly brown and crisp. But there are lots of other fun ways to use it, too. One popular tempeh method is turning it into bacon. Eat it alongside waffles or French toast or pile it into a vegan BLT. You can crumble it into a bolognese sauce. Or use it as a taco or lasagna filling. Tempeh also makes a great burger. It can be marinated as is and grilled, or crumbled and mixed with other DIY burger ingredients such as oats, carrots, brown rice, or black beans. Here are 3 examples of foods that can be eaten with tempeh. Hope you enjoy. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video.
You attract what you are, not what you want. So if you want love, be love. If you want happiness, be happiness. Like attracts like.